cracked Sony BRAVIA screen, a factory reset is still possible, and I'll show you exactly how to do it using the menus, even if you can't see parts of your screen.
Okay, first click on All Settings, which is a cog wheel up on the right-hand corner. Then you're going to move down 6 levels in that menu until you get down to System. In System, you're going to drop down 1 level and click on About. And here, drop down 2 levels to Reset and Factory Data Reset. Select Erase Everything. Confirm, yes, erase everything. And this will take a few seconds once you click yes to start the process. That's it. When you see the setup screen, the factory reset is complete.